Corporate leaders demand rapid digital innovation to stay competitive. Meanwhile, IT departments require strict operational stability to keep running. This friction has a specific cost. Currently, 70% of digital transformation projects fail because IT teams and business leaders are not aligned. To manage these operations, organizations relied on ITIL. For years, the ITIL V3 framework served as the rigid industry standard for IT management. However, ITIL V3 was built around 26 rigid processes. This structure created isolated silos, where technical teams focused on internal flowcharts over the wider company. The fourth industrial revolution changed the requirements. Cloud computing, AI, and DevOps demand software updates every day, making the old quarterly release model obsolete. While the old system was too slow, organizations cannot simply abandon governance and risk operational failure. They require a framework that balances modern velocity with enterprise-level stability, the primary goal of ITIL V3. ITIL V3 moves away from the 26-step lifecycle. It replaces those rigid processes with 34 flexible practices. A practice differs from a process because it considers more than just a sequence of steps. It coordinates people, technology, and the specific culture of the organization into a single workflow. The 4 dimensions model prevents new silos by examining 4 areas simultaneously: organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, and value streams and processes. If any one dimension is ignored, the entire system becomes unstable and fails. This diagram illustrates the service value system, the primary engine of ITIL V3. Built on value co-creation, ITIL collaborates with business units to ensure every service contributes to a shared outcome. At the top, 7 guiding principles function as a flexible compass for decision-making. Principles like optimize and automate allow ITIL V3 to integrate with high-velocity methodologies like Agile and DevOps, ensuring governance supports speed, not hinders it. This dynamic architecture allows ITIL V3 to function as a holistic operating model, capable of managing the high-speed demands of digital transformation. The technical department moves beyond the traditional break-fix model. Instead, it functions as a strategic partner, co-creating services that support the company's long-term objectives. Evidence of this framework's success appears in its expansion beyond IT into enterprise service management. By adopting a shared language and common practices, departments like HR, facilities, and finance can reduce the friction and delays that often hinder cross-functional work. In a digital-first world, a rigid IT framework leads to a rigid business. ITIL V3 matters today, providing the structure to evolve services alongside technology, ensuring agility is built into every department's workflow.